This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your Google Play balance and Roblox account region. This matters because mismatched regions prevent purchases. Once done, open the Roblox app while signed into the Google account that holds the credit. Make sure the Play Store recognizes the balance by attempting a small free app install if still unclear. You'll also want to confirm in settings that Google Play is the default payment source. This sets up the payment flow and avoids interruptions when you move to buy Robux or items. Now select the Robux bundle or catalog item you want and tap Checkout. You're doing this inside the Roblox app because in-app purchases route through Google Play. At the payment screen, choose Google Play Balance as the method. If you don't see it, cancel and confirm the Play Store account matches. Once selected, authorize the payment using your Play password, fingerprint, or confirmation prompt. This completes the transaction on Google's side, and then Roblox receives the purchase notification to credit your account. To finish, open Roblox and verify Robux or purchased items appear in your balance or inventory. Check transaction history in Roblox for confirmation. If the purchase is pending or not reflected, make sure your device has a stable connection and then check Google Play order history for the charge status. This shows if Google completed the payment. If items are missing or you need a refund, gather the Play order ID and contact Google Play support first, because they process the payment and can resolve billing or reversal issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.